Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hi, how are you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to the group JO1. And basically this is a live performance to the song Infinity. So let's just see what these boys gonna be giving us.
JO1
JO1. Oh, I love that picture. Oh god.
番組プロデュース101ジャパンから誕生した次世代のダンス&ボーカルグループ。
Gotta love Japan.
去年12月11日の生放送でメンバーが正式決定。
皆さんこんばんは。せーの。Go to the top JO1 です。
国民プロデューサーと呼ばれる視聴者からのおよそ6500万の国民投票で選ばれた11人。今月4日にプロトスターで待望のデビュー。今夜はその中から無限大を披露。
この無限大という曲は
Oh, this is not a live performance then, or not yet.
思いが込められていて、全員で作り上げた作品になっているので、ぜひ聴いていただきたいです。
Oh, so there goes. Come on. Come through. Come through live vocals. Okay. Love the dance choreo. Okay. Ah. Okay, yeah. Yes, come through JO1 with their live versions to the song Infinity. I really do appreciate it. I do like it. Konnichiwa, my Japanese, love it. Thanks to the person who recommended me to react to these videos on this group. I do like it so much. I need to do some more JO1. I'm back to JO1 because YouTube, I don't think YouTube will block this one, please though, because I need to react to more of them. But for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.